Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Sewing Machine is probably one of the most exciting tools for young girls to explore their creativity and develop essential life skills. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of sewing machines designed specifically for girls, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this guide will provide valuable insights to make an informed decision. Number 5. Singer MX231 Sewing Machine. This machine offers 23 built-in stitches, including basic, decorative, and stretch options. It's perfect for various fabrics, from delicate shears to sturdy denim. It allows you to handle both repairs and creative projects. The package comes with essential accessories like general purpose and buttonhole feet. There's also an edge quilting guide and a seam ripper. All accessories are stored in the front compartment for easy access. The front-load bobbin system allows for quick winding and easy insertion. This keeps the needle plate surface even for smooth stitching. It ensures a consistent sewing experience, helping you focus on your projects. The built-in needle threader minimizes frustration by threading the needle in seconds. Designed to reduce eye strain, it lets you start sewing quickly. It saves time and allows for a more seamless workflow. With adjustable stitch width and length, you can tailor each stitch to your project's needs. Whether creating decorative patterns or applique designs, the flexibility ensures professional quality results. You can create whatever you want. What we like. This machine offers a wide range of stitch options, perfect for various projects. It also comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, making it ready to use right away. If you're looking for a machine that can handle everything from basic repairs to creative projects, this is a great choice. It's designed to make your sewing experience seamless and enjoyable. What people say. It's portable and seems to be steady on the table. Singer is a trusted name for sewing machines. She said it has many features women will like. Zigzag, stitch this bobbin that and so on and so forth. Number 4. Made by Me Sewing Machine for Beginners. Introducing the Made by Me Sewing Machine, perfect for beginners. This battery-powered machine is designed to make sewing fun and accessible. It's a great way to start a new hobby. This sewing machine features an on-off switch, adjustable stitches, and pre-threaded bobbins. It's user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. The adjustable speeds make it easy to control. Kid-sized and ready to use right out of the box, this sewing machine includes finger guards and a safety light. It's designed to be safe and easy to use. It measures 7.67 by 4.52 by 7.48 inches. Follow the fully illustrated instructions for step-by-step guidance. From projects to machine care, it's all there. It helps you explore the wonderful world of sewing. Sewing is a practical skill that benefits children throughout their lives. With this machine, they can create cool craft projects like pillows and toys. It's a great way to explore creativity. The set includes the battery-powered sewing machine, measuring tape, thread, fabric, and more. It has everything needed to get started. Please note that batteries are not included. What we like. This sewing machine is specifically designed for beginners, with easy-to-use features. It's also kid-sized and comes with safety features, making it ideal for young sewers. If you have a child who's eager to learn sewing, this machine provides a safe and fun introduction to the craft. It's a great way to foster creativity and develop a practical skill. What people say. The sewing machine is easy to use. It is a great starter machine for young girls. The machine is well made and durable. Number 3. Portable Mini Electric Sewing Machine for Beginners. This mini sewing machine is perfect for various household sewing needs. It's great for remodeling clothes, crafting, and even home decor projects. Its compact size makes it easy to store and use anywhere. Weighing only 2.4 kilograms and measuring 12.2 by 5.9 by 11.8 inches, it's designed for portability. Take it with you or easily move it around your home. It's a convenient tool for all your sewing tasks. This sewing machine offers flexibility with both foot pedal and button switch controls. It can be powered by an AC adapter or 4 AA batteries. Remember not to use both power sources simultaneously to avoid damaging the motor. Threading is made simple with clear indication marks on the machine. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this feature helps you set up quickly. Watch the tutorial video for even easier use. Choose from 12 stitch types by adjusting the knob. It also includes reverse stitching for reinforcing seams. Simply press and hold the reverse stitch switch to use this function. Always remember not to use the battery and AC adapter at the same time. Review the instructions and watch the video to avoid any operational issues. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This machine offers the convenience of dual power options, allowing you to use it at home or on the go. It features 12 built-in stitches, providing versatility for different sewing tasks. If you need a portable machine that's easy to use and suitable for various projects, this is a great option. It's perfect for small spaces and travel. What people say. Great job on denim, medium thickness. Cute and compact little machine. Great for mending and small projects. It's small enough to sit on a shelf but big enough and weighted to keep it from moving while I sew. It's definitely compact and portable. Number 2. Beginner Sewing Machine Kit. This mini sewing machine kit is perfect for beginners of all ages. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a sewing machine, fabric, and a variety of accessories. It's a great way to learn a new skill or create fun projects. The kit includes a 122-piece set, with 50 fabric pieces, multiple bobbins, needles, and threads. This ensures you have everything you need to start sewing right away. It's designed to make the learning process easy and enjoyable. The machine features dual speed settings and a portable design, making it easy to control and move around. Its compact size makes it ideal for small spaces and travel. This allows you to work on projects wherever you are. This sewing machine is suitable for both kids and adults, making it a great family activity. The machine's design makes it easier to use than regular sewing machines. It's a fun and educational tool for all ages. The kit includes an illustrated book with patterns and instructions for 10 projects. This book provides clear guidance for beginners. It helps you create a variety of projects with ease. What we like. This machine comes with a complete sewing kit, including fabric, thread, and various accessories. It also features beginner-friendly functions like adjustable speed and a built-in light. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package to start sewing right away, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to make learning fun and easy. What people say. My granddaughter turned 8. She loved this sewing machine as her gift. She has made dogs' toys and I used it to sew a shirt. Great for a beginner. Trabaja como una máquina normal. Se usa con corriente eléctrica o con baterías. Trajo todos los accesorios, hasta retazos de tela. Hasta yo la he usado para hacer arreglos sencillos como ruedos o reparaciones sencillas. Sewing machine was well made and good quality. The finger guard is key. Would definitely recommend. Number 1. JUCVNB Mini Sewing Machine for Beginners. Looking for a special gift? This sewing machine is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, and more. It's a fun way to create handmade projects with your kids. This mini sewing machine is lightweight and easy to carry. It can handle both thick fabrics like denim and delicate fabrics like silk, suiting the needs of beginners and advanced users. Threading is made easy with the printed guide on the machine. It's great for sewing pet clothes, shopping bags, and more. Just watch the instruction video before you start. It comes with 12 different stitch patterns, including straight and zigzag stitches. You can preset the stitch widths and lengths to meet your sewing needs. The machine can be powered by an AC adapter or 4 AA batteries, making it perfect for on-the-go use. It also features both a foot pedal and a button switch. What we like. This machine has 12 built-in stitch patterns to meet different sewing needs. It also has dual power and switch options. If you are looking for a lightweight and portable machine that's easy to store and carry, this is a great option. It's perfect for beginners and advanced users. What people say. It was easy to set up and use. I am really happy with this purchase so far. Although I did not get it for a child, I can see where it would be a great starter machine that has some of the features most needed in my opinion. Bobbin winding and reverse being a couple of those features. I bought this as a birthday gift for my granddaughter and taught her to sew. She loved it and caught on very quickly and remembered all the steps for starting a stitch, turning corners, remembered to turn the wheel to get the needle in the fabric and close and lift the lever for the foot. It came with a small sewing kit and different colors of threads and bobbins. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.